Hey, what's up YouTube? Now I'm the smartphone guy coming back at you with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a liquid application screen protector for the Huawei Mate SE, and as you can see it also works for the Honor 7X. So this is actually the exact same one I picked up for my Honor 7X after trying a couple of tempered glass screen protectors that just didn't work out real well for me because of various reasons. So this is the actual liquid application screen protector. You will notice that I have the matte version. They do also have an HD version, so if having a matte screen protector bugs you, they do also have an HD version. You can pick this up on Amazon for just under $8, so I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested in checking it out. So a couple things I want to mention about the matte version versus the HD version. So the matte version isn't as clear as the HD version, of course, but the HD version collects a lot more fingerprints and also is a little bit more difficult to apply. So just a couple of negatives there, but the matte version applies a lot easier, and then it also doesn't collect fingerprints like the HD version does. So just something to keep in mind if you're thinking about picking these up. Now you'll see the negative with the matte version here in just a little bit. So in the box you basically just get a little microfiber cloth, little squeegee, and some liquid for the liquid application for it. So basically, in order to apply it, I'm just going to go ahead and clean off all the dust. Hopefully we get all the dust off of there. That's kind of the most important thing. And then you want to spray the screen itself, or you can spray the screen protector. It doesn't really matter which way you go, as long as you have it wet, one or the other. And then you want to spray whatever, well, you want to spray both your hands because you're going to need to touch the screen protector probably with both hands, most likely. So you want to make sure they're wet because you don't want to touch them with dry hands because it does stick. Okay, and then from there we're just going to go ahead and pull it off of here. So this is kind of the quick and dirty way to do it. And we're just going to slide it right on there. Now because it's liquid, we can kind of push it around. And once it's already on there, we can kind of adjust it as we need to. And make sure it's all centered and everything. So the key here is to line up the camera with the hole there, the sensor here, and then the speaker. Or I guess the earpiece there. No speaker up here on the Mate SE. Alright, so from there, we're going to go ahead and take the microfiber cloth and the squeegee and just push out that remaining water. The remaining liquid, I should say. And this is the nice thing about the matte version. You can do this a lot easier, a lot quicker than you can with the HD version because the bubbles get pushed out a lot easier. It's a little bit more difficult with the HD version. The bubbles don't come out nearly as well. Alright, so the screen protector has been applied, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on the device. So first of all, one thing you will notice is that it pretty much goes right up to the edge on all of the sides. It has the openings for each of our sensors and the camera, and then also for our earpiece, so fits it very, very well, just like it did on the Honor 7X. You can see there is just kind of a little bit of a washed out color to it, so these are just some pictures I was taking with the Mate SE for a camera comparison, which I'll show you guys a little bit later. So anyways, overall just a great screen protector. Went on really well. There's absolutely no bubbles, so I'll go ahead and turn off the screen so you can see that there's no bubbles. That's just dust on there. It does not collect fingerprints, so that is one huge advantage of the matte version. Again, the disadvantage being that it does kind of wash out the colors just a little bit, so that is something to keep in mind when compared to the screen without a screen protector. It definitely does not look as clear, so that is the disadvantage. So the HD clear version, you get that, but you will get fingerprints, so that's the disadvantage there. This does also work. I know, like, you can kind of see a little bit of a glare when I show it in the lights, so kind of like right here there's a glare, but in direct sunlight it actually doesn't work too bad at all. The glare kind of goes away for some reason or another when you have it in direct sunlight. So overall, really nice screen protector. Definitely one I would recommend, as long as you don't mind the fact that it does just wash out those colors a little bit. So anyways, I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.